everything else. We did everything else. And I'm like, this is the first of the stuff on the chair. She's like, how can I sit with you if you... So she began... It's my child. You're amazing. You're...
Chicken.
That means I'm close. Spray the bed, get comfortable, do some like tactile.
Let me talk my shit real quick. Bring my weed. Bring my weed in the morning. Bring my weed. Bring my weed in the morning. I'm already stuck at home without you. And now I'm stuck at home